The Legend of the Bombero, a Guarani story. The Bombero is one of the most famous spirits in Guarani mythology, come for wandering silently through the deep forests of the region. According to the old tales, he is a small, sturdy goblin with long arms, large hands and backward-facing feet that make his tracks impossible to follow. He moves quietly, usually wearing a big strong hat and walking barefoot, blending into the shadows of the forest. His main purpose is to protect nature. He watches over the animals, the plains, and everything that glows in the wild. Hunters who take only what they need are left in peace, but those who kill more than necessary or harm the forest will soon face its hunger. When this happens, he can transform into any animal or even into a plant. Using these forms, he confuses intruders with strange whispers, footsteps, or illusions. They get them deeper and deeper into the forest until they are completely lost. Even though he can be violent, he isn't always dangerous. People say that if you respect the forest and its creatures, he may even protect you. Many families leave a small gift, such as tobacco, honey, or a bit of rum, to keep him pleased. When he is in a good mood, he may watch over your animals, guard you home during the night, or guide lost travelers back to their path. But choose who disrespect nature quick learn that he is not a spirit to be taken lead. Mysterious and unpredictable. He is always watching from between the trees, ready to defend the heart of the forest.